This is a home match. I am silly. Ebusia, NDC Journalist Ohene Boamah Benny. Niko kwa pai wadwa lie. Also beka ye to baby Mahama ka say ye man honeymoon. When year honeymoon be. Sa honeymoon no. Ohene Boamah Benny abeke kanadwen a kire ma. Wo kire say it is over. It's about time one. It was a holding Mahama responsible and accountable. Almost so omugu so eblemu Akufo-Addo ene Boamah no. Ohene Boamah Benny ake kanadwen e de a kire wo mu. Ayi Penyah block me da mesra say any dey mo. Obe like video no that about subscribe button some back click notification connect updates update am betre wa adwen da ma me e wo comment section oba so a no ahye video for enya bia hwe no me kan phone nala money send up ena dia ma o USA o UK o pesa send ska e de be fia fa nala app no send ska e very smooth transaction in fact o send ya e de light speed ena ya adwuma o send ya ne se e duru fie e mu na no so from promo code Penyah TV e de send ska na e be sa charge $20 for free e nala nkwa ena ma such an amazing offer o se o mo ho a u di ti kobo da ma wu unya offer we e wo ba bia. Let's go to the story. I was have a kaya, you told on the phone of every year. Ah, yeah, train transition time, no, yeah, train over to Nakunyan soon. And no back can send bitch the Ghana for say. Says, I know her damage a Akufo-Addo Boamah dream of my cause for my way, just said when Shabbat say economy now, or must say the economy beyond cognition, just said, or must destroy the economy no beyond repair. It in me, Slamo me my Ghana for me, but Nakunyan swa, Mumma me bre. Na me fanko honeymoon na honeymoon ni mo no ho na me de me fane solution to this problem na Akufo-Addo Boamah akose no.
The MPP has brought Ghana's economy to the lowest ebb that has ever been seen in our history. We are broke. We are indebted. There's hardship in the land. There's no money in the system. People do not have disposable incomes. Pensioners' monies have been taken. Bondholders' monies have been taken. And so it's created a very critical situation for us.
Repeatedly, Mr. Mahama, who is taking opinions of the electorate to feed into the NDC's manifesto for the upcoming elections, has pleaded for a grace period if the NDC returns to power. He explains the need.
And I'll plead with the teachers' unions, NAT and NAGRAT and UTAG and TEWU and all of them. And all of you are clamoring for allowances, increase in your allowances and so on and so forth. Let me caution you that in 2025, inshallah, after we take over, we will show you the books and the finances of this country. And you realize the harm that the MPP administration has done to Ghana's economy. This country is broke. And so we would beg you that when we come into office, give us a bit of a honeymoon. Let's put things in place so that we can bring the economy back on its feet. And when we have done that, we can accede to your demands again. And that's why I'm being very measured in the promises that I make. Because we all know the crisis in which this country has been plunged.
Meanwhile, Mr. Mahama has assured of his preparedness to lead efforts to restore the economy. He reveals the electorate in areas visited continue to clamor for the return of the NDC.
And I know that as soon as we come, one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to hold a national conference, a national economic dialogue. And we're going to bring all stakeholders together. We'll open the books for you to see the mess that the NPP has left for all of us and what we have to do to be able to bring it back.
Yeah, to Obama, 4 years, pe. 4 yeah, so 4 years. 4 years. 4 years no crown. O first year, every thank you any other any preparation. It was start I didn't cast was second first o first year. Obedin ka she be 6 months ago. 83 the next 7th month aircon e ho ankasa ana wo bu man no. It will first year the 6 months. Now best start second year. It ho no kon say wo bu man ni gidigidi. It ekwesi wo third year. Yes say because next election obabu sika na koye campaign. That's I don't know him a over less than 3 years for intensive work. But Mahama see a man honeymoon, 1 year honeymoon. President ya to abamo a odi jihye ba begu akwam no. Ya man ebre na wonwodwo no. Ghana de ye Awurade nyame. Ya Mahama bre na wonwodwo no ho kakra ansa kwa no start say obuman no. Ema nkomo we atwifa media na so na waka say na honeymoon baby ya to abamo say be ye oman ni ye na honeymoon say ema na these funds body first say MP for fam kwasa say nko ma say oman na wie Mahama so transfer anya hwe kra ye pe. For him being the president, we are okay. These were the comments at that time. Because na Mahama a hit no, it was so na Mahama very moral no, it was top. 89 Mahama praise us no, it was so to that time when they say, "Oh, can we? Obi antie." The Dumaya Mahama is the hope and no one will be any. But I say, no one and obi any. It's now among us a different honeymoon. Now when I say more, just say honeymoon were dear we. Go 1 year no a term honeymoon a dear we ama. Yeah, was 7th month, Mukra 2026. Mahama so baka so cry say Dubai. Or make sure that there will be a proper drainage system. There will be clean up exercise. There will be good road. There will be this. There will be that. Me 1 year, may this. Me 1 year, may that. Just say, oh, she share baby. And unfortunately, I cannot say Dubai no. Or be ensure proper drainage system. Or be ensure good road. Gutter the system got to be ensure sanitation Accra no. In so turn and see ama Accra na e yiri. Emen so ni yiri se japade berebe ema bi kan kum cha so dan enso ko ho no me ko sare nema e de ko enso akwose se nema ema hene ba bo ma bani kura enso wura mi obu fie ema ne ka kakra ja oluma wode dada no ho kakra akokura de ka je se wode e dada no kakra de ka da say engine break wo ja engine problem ema last week ni mu ohene ba bo ma dinga ba ke kan na adwen e se de nema e ko no mu hweye bo kan ya no na onuamu NDC for ni bi bodo so bosen ya wo fana sem nko o kire no ho e no no nko na den e no no nko na ni sika asa na onuamu NDC for be attack no e ba no mu de so bo no e bo akufa de bo mi ase akufa de bo mo fira koyan so ncheye se 8 years no omu yen hye papa bi a anka ni se Ghana ye beduru be eduru ti so paso bo bi a blame akufa ene bo mi na Muhammad oba ya wanya boni bia e wo se obetra tips e kan adwen kire no na no ana nkomo no ohene Boamah bene so besa akase bi na nka se no je se he mo ma bobo adam honeymoon it is over Mahama honeymoon akase enfama no it is over now it's about time one we will come after you ye be hwe se obe ye adwuma no ana almost on omobobo omagyetirem people ni ba omi na Akufo-Addo kire say this is not the time to blame Akufo-Addo Mahama na president or no and is holding no responsible and accountable ohene Boamah abekasa
Amatete wakwa wamunya hute Ghana Highway Authority emfaso bia ni so bia munu ma ne se yanko axle load yanko gigi sika metani won temi United akronfo fa wate bia ni ma ne se yanko axle load ko gigi sika metani kwasiman wo yu na be ho wo fro do Crossroads School Junction. Now say traffic aso. Now when the speed they may come out for Sotium Kwanswa, you will die. That area you will die. Mama yenye bi. Engineers na wa brochire bia na ha. Book ba ko na musuya bia na ha. Abura ne benye asie trimu ma ye nen. Wa yade ade obedie. Eto onye sika de awia. Akwani 2 days e be say yemfa no ho. Onye sika de awia. Akwani 3 days e be tutu yemfa no ho. Bane ben. Be sinna yete krom ha. Ye yi gata film, ye yi gata mu na te ne ye de agu nchen. Yete krom ha, be sinna. Ye yi gata mu na te ne ye de agu nchen. Ensuo to akase rim. Na sa kodua agu gata ne mu. Ni asa ko pesika foforo, ni asa de abeyi gatam, ada ya nwene, ya du yaduma. Ani there will be a day. You to metia. There will be a day. Taxpayers metia. There will be a day. Kurana ni bedane. Mudi amu femi woman ya grossa de mudi no. Aso be tra president akunya no so a. Na we officer now na mfomo. Because anem wo kwa ka wotimu no. Ka ni kwa ko babako etisei. What you on okoro. No boy your bomber ni biam. Akwanya wonim. Wodi from room. Boko. Na ke ti krom ha. Am obi to me the best system billion. And the Sasakata and the battery. Obi to me the system billion. And the Sasakata and the battery will come. What many ayabo? Mama money call mine ho. We are two abama mo yen chasi ya moa. Ya two abama wa ye nipa. We deserve better. We deserve good things. What eh? Abaya mamu wa better so am fie 4 years a pet. You are free one. I remember what transfer 4 years a pen of this one. And I'm pressing. What my transfer you be papa? No mining koso. Go to Sahi. Kosahi. From Benchama barrier. And the kokosi prosu kofi krum. From Benchama barrier. And the kokosi jamoso. When you have the Hobaka and Kagana. But you are minister. You are your half minister. Nekwaino. You are minister of Krumha. Kwabremi ta kando ne kwan no that Pafua MP. Look at your road. Shaman for kwan. Ma sabu bon sanu omo de mushia de da obrabo no. Sani edi MP, sani edi minister. Aman for your big fish kwa kase de ye. Look at your road. Look at your road. Ana no me kofa kwan no so. From Proso coming. Ne nsuo hya se eto. Let me cry to a vet. Me real who yes, some fat panos. A do baby no, semi no, semi yadino, a tom them come, no from them come. Me, one more, I sunny be a time in chain. Me free hobby be your name in a year. Adding. A dear Sam, a dear Boninco. Contract no, I'm kind of so. Contractor no we kwan wo ye no ne caterpillar se bulldozer 1 na djuma e 4 ya miensa eno kramira bi na hu se no mo ne nanam ho o ma jai aso ye di timber free ho ba ye tu gold wo ho ye di cocoa free ho ba ye di aduane free ho ba enu o ma wo wiase nyina di bi free ho ba as we kwanfu nyina headquarters in that road. Wabra ye wo MP we health minister. Hwe ya me krokro mu biem. Honeymoon no mo de awie. Honeymoon no NDC de awie. A time for action. Ye na nadu dan kwakufu adu antumi anye no. Enu ti ne ka cho wura John Mahama so me. The another one to me, until you're afraid James Somay. This time round, no, blaming Akufuado, blaming Boamah, and solve any issue. They have their differences, yes, and rather so I better. But for this time, I echo one of the time for action. It is a Penyah, Yankoba Akufuado. Sububium. And you read John Mahama, and there was a fire, no, a corner. No problem, no solve. Because you to Abamano, and to Ghana for a to Abba, unanimously endorse him, so many president. Unanimously, and no main dosso, John Mahama, so many president. Unanimously, and a Ghana for say, John Mahama, the president, go to parliament. And Pisu Dudua, Ghana for pure Mukugu, and this is and Yaise. Eti abrama ya di blame game ana nanado okwa yase a wo so sori beti am yatwam jam di okwa okotukutu won atwam akufu ade ya dapafo antumi anya hwe atwam some people ye na dwen se obeka bi dia e different some people for no ma dwen se wo mo ba beka bi dia and ye different issue altogether e hono de and ye betu wo mawuram ama mahu se Enfiem wote mutumi ye yanka nyani na mo sese je ma kamera sen bosome afi bosome nsiani aka mfiem yenu ana bosome nsia se bosome nsia na ya start no nti yemfa ne mfiem yenu bosome no The last year, a political year for campaign. The 2 hamu pa, I can't 1 year, 5 months, you also jail, what do you do? Eti baby adro na nya godie biam. We are minister Yamau di black wa yadwuma, we are the pafo for do. We are minister Yamau di black go and work. We are MP Yamau di black go and work. We are MC Yamau di black go and work. Mete ha ana me hu say enkokọ for so be demonstration. Say you bypass road and for to kwanati and for to kronati. I've already said this. Say MC your own koko, you cut that perform for work from her. He's one of them. I'm not did damn cook. Me said the last time I said it from a cantia bessa. I dey come koko town. You to me do more than 1 hour. Because station ho kwan nye. I cantia bessa ho I'm not did that kind of so. And here you say, Masa mimiti yo. Mimiti. And you're dying from Kumasi Mwakwa. Ade koko sise hwiyo so wiase akwanya president Rollins mo ye ade ba besinna akwan da so da ho ade aso da ho atutu kura wu eso contractor to me ye kwan ne ade beti na tutu obi anka ho hwe na soja ba be no aye kwan fu ko be fu abeba no wo say yes ya so soja MC seba da pafo fa and I get them saying the bimu do what dimu say vet. We be call MC or site. Yeah, you truly go to the mano. Or buy ye was yen who ye. When you are daddy, I show mine. And then woman you are your pansam. Without due respect. Woman you are who. Then you will still go down there and campaign to them. Woman you are the question. It's time for action. Eto wa John Mahama ni pano odina kwatra no want to me nya action a sack him. Yini free ho pamono. No kwad baby. Anyo no kwa na ye ni po betumi atena abuma na ma na ye ye ontumi nya dwuma na ma ne kwatra fie. Ministers bi kasa poto. Obi babonte be kasa asese be mpraduasa na nsuo gina na dwuma sa na opie. Wakwa bia ma mitua no kan kwase asam saa minister mu a kansem hunkwa bia na no basa ke kansem fonkwa o bia na no kasa bia wutumu sakwa na kasa no na kasa ansem fun we mu ya keka no krom hwe mo yama bufu abawo mama yama no man tototo so kama wate mama yama no man tototo so kama na baby and woman namno yanya hweye omi yanya hweye wate America na me yitire mo no America na me yitire mo no wi Ghana o wi be ho enti na Donald Trump ka say ye shit o na mo ya shit o na mo ye den America sida enem pa de ya beto mo ne say obi te be bo no so na obi wo be po na se na odwira sase obi wo be pono so no obi te be pono se na wo dwe wo twa sase na si ne dan flat na ne yuro fi se wo si dan no e flat wie na de te be pono so woni se nsuo to na yuro fat efi be pono so a e ba be go fie ho be po esane enti nsuo no be sane a na akwakope ba bia kugu ena de de omo de abebo mo no ko sawi ko be po nyina ye twa ko sawi ko be pon nyina ye twa o twa be pon na na to fam tim no wasi ne dan wase ho etinsuo no twa na nwira begu ne so na taxpayers money ni abobo ano ni de akobe kwabrane yesi ginadi edem bi wo ha e was MC town planning officers what are they wo mo plan wo man say wo mo plan wo man say what are they you trio moka but they are not working okoka yesi mama nya adwuma okosa okoya adwuma ne yamo anya adwuma okosa okoya adwuma ne yamo anya adwuma wan kuruma yetimu no ase obi apese anka president Mahama sori a no oba ne ho o town planning officers ni okay town and country planners mena mo tumi siesie kro e ma ne ye fe etimunya 10 billion na mo fa kwa madwuma no wato na ni tia ekono no akwakoto suit full kantaman to suit no ahye no de akotra ho na nkwase akeka nko a nkwase abrofo nko a brofo wo wiase nyina yenim ni nyina bi so ya bombom educated illiterates you know nothing. Look at the way we are messing up this country. Look at the way. You should be baby. You will be baby. You will be also planning crow. You will be also planning crow. You also a toto. China things you so. So madam among you. Go to Dubai. You are feeling a pro. And you see a Kenya, a real singer and a fact. Na ya pum Ghana for and ya pum trial. Oma filia sidan. Et you susum pre. Sa sif say yan kwan ya shapwase. Niam plan ya kroni ye. Niam kata gota so. Yan ni kwan fa so. Me munna ho. What is this? Kroma han kwan gata to me kwana akwa kopem nko ba bia biem. Nsumi ya yin se gata. Contractor wo krom ha won ose se wasua ade na dwunu ye adwuma na nkrofo Ghana Highway Authority ye also mu monitoring ekokọ he no okokọ nantenate wa no adan ho aba betas onkompo onko Mrs. South Department Ghana Highway Authority no me ya president akametwam nkenan kwa metwam faso bia ne so highway be no monitor data to me kona akwa kopem nko ba bia bi ensu nyi fire kanasi first light nyane ensure ayi fa yen awa kanasi first light nya no ton mama yenya bibin ye betumi aye mama yenya bibin ye betumi aye ma na eye what ye betumi aye we can do it. What is this? Abe kura na mama ye tire ya ho kuram gasra say am ya brofo die Ghana ye minister si ye MPC your president Saba departmental heads brofo yen ye ka brofo ama broni ti ho a no boni tinko yen no yen ye tumi ka brofo ma broni kokko head dictionary ana we ka brofo ni bia na broni ti ho no google he wo ha no phone so he said ye ni pa na kan e right ampa e right so brofo yenim brofo papa enso yadwunu ha yetumi fa brofo nya he yenya brofo kana China wo hon ka brofo waye. Let's stop this and develop our nation. Obi amaye yan kasa na wose ye obi amaye yo ton obi amaye obi ne ho beba ba yamayen obi ne ho yo beba ba yamayen what obi ne ho baba ya mayen yankasa na wose yeye etimu ma yenyaye na yenyaya one day asembeto yen
Ubeto anchede wa adwene e de amame e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media agra